2012 Dodge Charger Hemi V8. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then what we put on it is FLOWMASTer FX. Flow FX right there and right there. And had a muffler delete earlier in the year done. Right there and right there. There's the FLOWMASTer FX series. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Dodge Charger RT Hemi. 1 second, Tim. Much better. Exactly what you wanted, right? Nice and deep. That's the two resonators we took, or mid mufflers we took off right there. Nice and deep. We'll let you guys hear on the inside.
All right, inside this Charger RT, let you guys hear it with the FX on it. Yes, sir.